Hi, everybody. I hope you can hear me all right. I've had a horrendous cold and really bad cough. So, this is the first chance I've had to come on and say hi since it was announced who won the Handmade Hero with Hobbymaker. And if you do watch, you'll know it wasn't me. So, massive congratulations to Lisa, who did win. I know she's already done her first live hour, but I thought I'd show you the reality of a crafty sort of YouTuber and probably the reality for people who do make samples and things like that for TV or for companies. So this is how I left my craft room before Christmas. So I had been making samples obviously for the live show and they're still sitting over there. I didn't make any Christmas cards for myself this year, so apologies if you're one of my family and friends who usually get Christmas cards off me. I didn't make any. I did make a few for my father-in-law for his neighbours, so that's the aftermath of me card making for my father-in-law, not myself. I've got stuff over here, all out of place, stuff over here, and to my shame, there's my shame pile. So anybody who's been indulging in the UK, Craft Stash closed down a little bit before Christmas. And let me see, this pile here, pretty much from there up to there, is things I bought when Craft Stash was closing down. And then Hobbycraft in the UK closed a lot of their branches. They've not shut down. They've started their own TV channel, but my local Hobbycraft shut down. So this pile here, that's all stuff that I bought from our local Hobbycraft as it was closing down. I've actually started tidying, so I've already put a load of inks away. There was loads of inks on my desk, which I've already put away. And over here, there was a broken drawer, which if anybody watched my craft room tour, which is about 2 years ago, I said, don't put your punches in these long drawers, the Alex drawers from IKEA, because the punches are too heavy and it pushes the bottom down. I think they'd be all right in the narrow ones, but don't put them in these. And I said that 2 years ago. And before Christmas, when I was trying to get something out of the bottom drawer, I couldn't get it open because my punches had indeed broken my drawer, which I knew was bent and I knew was breaking. So I've had my hot glue gun out and been repairing that. So I have already repaired. But yeah, so this is real life. This is what crafters' rooms look like. We don't all live in pristine, tidy places. Thank you for your support. If you did vote for me in the Hobbymaker Handmade Hero, I'm still hopeful that maybe something else will come of it because they have said I could possibly do something with their online team. So that would be fantastic if that happens. So it was an amazing experience. So I did want to say thank you to Hobbymaker and thank you to all those people who did support me. And vote for me. This was just a quick hi and bye so that I can get through some of this mess and get back to making some lovely videos for you. So everything is so much better. I've actually moved my Gemini and got it onto a turntable, which this turntable must be 20 years old. So that's a bit more usable there. Not much has changed back here. Spin around. My doom pile has gone, so I've actually got some clear work surface. I can light a candle or this is electric wax burner that's switched on at the moment. And I've got some new storage boxes that I need to put into my drawers. So I've not actually sorted in my drawers, but look, we actually have things tidied, everything put away. I've got some new magazine rack holders down here. And I have run out of some space, so I need to jiggle things around a bit, but everything's sort of put away. I haven't got anywhere to put this box, but this one actually has wool in it because I crochet as well, so that's not actually paper craft, but pretty much tidy. Like I said, drawers fixed, much better. I actually feel like I can craft again now. So thanks for watching. I will see you again in another video very soon. Like, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. It really does help all us little creators. Bye for now.